UnlimPhotos has a fantastic library of all kinds of stock photos. Let's go have a look and see what you can do and what types of photos you can find inside this immense library. So once logged into your UnlimPhotos dashboard, you will come to this overview. And from this overview, you can basically start searching. So you can, for example, if I want to do landscapes, to have some kind of nice background image for a website, for example, we can just fill it in. And there we have all kinds of stock photos of landscapes. So you also have some filters to choose from. So for example, you have orientation. If you want to do it only horizontal, you can filter for that as well. If you want to do panorama views, so a wide angle view, you can do so as well. And as you can see, you get beautiful looking stock images. So these are perfect for example, banners on your own website. You also can search for people if you want to have people inside the landscape. So let's say multiple people. Then we'll see that you will get results as well. So you can see that UnlimPhotos has a really extensive library of all kinds of stock photos that will really help you do all kinds of designing. So you can use them for your website, you can use them for social media, inside of promotional videos, any way you want to, and those are completely royalty free. So go grab your copy of UnlimPhotos today and take it for a spin yourself.